channel.
Yeah, I follow him.
Okay, yeah, he's right. He's usually right here.
Yeah, I met him at the breakwater one day on like one of the best days I've ever seen. I was like, you got a handle or something? Get some photos from us?
Yeah, he's cool. He's a local fixture.
Yeah. I heard he used to surf and then he had an injury and then doesn't surf anymore. And just takes photos of everybody.
Yeah, it's great. And his videos are really good.
We live?
Yeah, I felt like
We live?
We're live, guys.
Yeah, 1-3. All right, bitches. Got it. All right. Heroes, guys. Over.
Shit.
You got it off.
Where'd it go, bud?
Good.
Woo.
tough.
Right over me.
That's not appreciated. I put it right on the line. 1-0, guys.
Well, it went over and it kind of came back. Thought you were going to hit it.
All right, throw. Got it. Oh, buddy. So powerful, I almost fell down. Nice set. Where'd you serve from? Out of town, when the ball was like halfway. I served from here.
That is short. I'm out of game.
The ball stopped like there. He put it all the way back. I'm like, oh, it's right at us. We're like, no, it was like mid-court for some reason. It looks deep. Got it. 3-0.
Alright, we're out of pass ball.
Good ball. I got it.
Option if you want.
Go.
Yes, sir. Take me out. Should I hit the ball? Should I hit the head?
Easter ball. The
One-
Easter egg is the ball itself.
Is it 1-3?
Correct.
Call Johnny.
Oh, help.
Good save,
Pat.
Maybe I'm just wrong.
Oh, shit.
Got it.
Nice, got it.
Option. Over. Got it. Option if you want. Go one.
Oh.
Option if you want. Good. Don't hit it. I went for it.
One.
And
Okay.
we got, and then on the, he's 1-2, and then we had the switch, so then we should have at least 5.
Middle.
middle. Coming up. Out.
Sorry about it. No.
Oh, we just switched. Never mind. 2-6. My serve.
Here we go, Jason. Yeah, that'd be a lot of switching.
2-6. Got it.
Oh.
Whoa!
Hit the camera.
That ball is pumped up.
Yeah. Don't hit the camera.
Down, not up.
Looking good. Uh, 5-3. 7-3.
7-3.
All right. Lost a couple of points somewhere. Got it. 73. Oh, nice.
Rich started. Oh, for you guys. Rich started, then I went. Barry. Ted, just you served a lot. Yeah. If you get things right, that's down.
Like it. That's a good rolly.
Five. Okay. I'm here.
Nobody.
Get rid of that balloon ball. Oh, yeah. The rock ball. We'll take some air out of yours.
I think that one might be theirs.
Oh, I thought you were poaching it.
Oh, I was like, I thought you needed a ball.
9-5?
Yeah.
That's about right.
I'm here. Oh man, I'm so sorry, dude.
I heard that.
Flying through the air for that.
I don't
6-0.
1 maybe. 6-1? Oh, whoa.
1, 6-1.
You run it, Atkins.
Nobody.
He's up. No, he's back.
You.
I got you.
Nobody. Good. Mark cut the shit out of you. Backpedaling.
He took a step forward when I made the call, and then it's like, what?
Two, what? 6. 26. Got it.
Oh! Covering lines with covering angles.
Yeah, sorry, I'll call that out for you.
Hey, 3 seconds. You have it.
There you go. Good.
Ball, please.
Deep ball, so it's hard to read.
That was Rich, right? Rich Circuit. 46, sir.
4-6, switch point. Got it.
You gotta raise his neck.
I told you this before we started, like, tough services.
That's why women's volleyball at 7.5 foot net,
Oh,
their
yeah.
serves, man. It's like,
I'll serve from
you
here,
get a good
BB.
server, you're screwed.
Got it. 5-6.
Oh shit, he's up. God damn. Sorry, I trapped you.
Like, wait till you pull. So you see this, a lot of people would have pulled with the pass all the way back there.
Wait till where the set goes. Let's stay on it. Alright. 6-6.
You. Right, fine. Over him. Oh, turning now. It's over.
Alright. You got it. 7-6.
Yeah.
Big block. Go for it. I got it. There. Good ball. It's in. I'm here. Right front. Nobody.
Ah!
Nice job. Thought you were coming 3-4-1.
That gave you a lower one.
I got a highlight reel for a rundown.
Alright, 8-6. 9-6. I'll start from here. Got it. Ball went through it down there.
Ball.
Back, swing away. Yeah, we got some.
All right. 26. Got it. You're good.
Nobody.
It's over, it's over, it's over.
Ah, that's it. Finger.
Waiting for me down the line.
Wait, do we have 7 or 17?
7.
I joked.
But that's right. That's right, Jay.
17-20.
Nobody.
Nobody.
Oh, great.
Out.
Here, would you right here? Here, guys, thank you. Want to split you guys up to give you a game, or are you guys fine? I'm fine playing with Matt. Yeah, we kind of lost big time, but that's okay. We're out here on Easter Sunday.